In this video, I will show you how to transform Claude into a powerful knowledge assistant directly within your Slack workspace. It is a fantastic way to streamline how your team finds information without ever having to leave your chat interface. To get started, you first need to open your Claude chat bar and look for the plus icon. When you click that icon, a menu of integrations will appear and you should locate the Slack switch and toggle it to the on position. This simple action bridges the gap between the artificial intelligence and your internal communications. Once the integration is active, the next step is to define exactly what your assistant should do by using a specific prompt. You want to give it a clear identity and a set of instructions so it knows where to look for data. You should type a command such as act as our team knowledge assistant. Then, specify the exact source by telling it to search a particular channel name or check for pinned house files to find answers regarding a specific topic or company policy. It is crucial to be precise here so the AI understands its boundaries. To make the assistant even more helpful for your colleagues, you can instruct it to respond with a direct answer and always include a link to the original source message. Providing this link ensures that everyone can verify the information and see the full context if they need to. After you have refined your prompt, the final phase is simply to deploy it. Now, whenever a team member has a question, they can interact with the assistant to get instant answers based on your actual internal discussions and documents. This saves everyone a massive amount of time that would otherwise be spent searching through endless message histories or buried folders. I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your team productivity.